Hello everyone, welcome to Roam Tech.
Today we will be discussing how to screen record on your Mac. It's super easy. To start screen recording on your Mac, you want to click Command, Shift, and the number 5 key all at the same time. This will bring up the screen recording toolbar. Now, there are two main options for screen recording. The first option is to record your entire screen, and the second option is to record just a portion of your screen, which you can customize. Don't worry about the options to the left, those are screen capturing options, and we won't be using them today. Now if you click into the options menu, this will bring up some basic screen recording options. You can choose to show mouse clicks on your screen recordings. You can also choose whether to show floating thumbnails once your recording has finished, which I'll show you in a bit. You'll also be able to select which microphone you want to use to record audio. In this case, I'm using an external Scarlett USB Solo. Above that, you can select a countdown timer. I'm choosing none here. Last but not least, you can select a file path location to save your recording. By default, it should be on your desktop, but you can set a custom location if you'd like.
So, once you're ready, click on the Record button.
If you have multiple screens attached, you can choose to record the other screen if you want. But here, I'm going to record the Mac screen you're currently looking at. Once the recording has started, you'll notice a little stop recording button up here at the very top. So when you're ready to stop recording, just click on that stop button. You'll notice a thumbnail preview will appear in the bottom right. If you click on it, you get a few options. From here, you can preview the video directly that you just recorded, and you can also share the video. You can also make adjustments like cropping the video here at the top, or deleting it. Once you're ready, click on Done. Now we've recorded the video. As you can see, it's now saved in our current file location, which is the desktop, where we can go ahead and start using the video just as we normally would. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like. And if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below. And don't forget to subscribe for more awesome tech tips. Thanks for watching.